How to turn off suggested song playing on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off the autoplay suggested song on Spotify. The process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Spotify. You should get an interface somewhat like this. You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then you want to tap on settings and privacy there. Once under settings, you want to scroll down and you want to find the autoplay option. Now here you can see auto mix option, that says you can toggle it off if you don't want the transition between songs on selected playlist. And if you scroll down here, you should find the option that says autoplay similar content. Enjoy non-stop listening will play something similar when what you're listening to ends. So you can simply toggle this off and you'll no more be listening to suggested songs or autoplay random songs. So this way you can turn off suggested song on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.